Hey, nice to see you again on the CrocFIX channel and welcome to this new video. If you are the first time here on my channel, welcome and I hope you subscribe for more videos. So we have here a Samsung Galaxy A55 and the problem is the phone is locked, so it has a screen lock on it. If you want to erase it, if you want to disable the screen lock, then just follow the video. I just want to say at the beginning that I put really a lot of time and effort to do this video for you guys. If I could help you with this video, I would also really appreciate if you can make some donation and support my channel. Thank you. So now let's go and proceed with the unlock. So if you have a PIN or a password or something else here on your phone and you can't use it, then you can use this video and it will help you to use it again. Keep in mind, you will anyway need your Google account and your password for your Google or Gmail account after the reset, otherwise you can't unlock it. Alright? So let's go. Firstly, we need to power off the device. So this we will do by holding the volume down button and the power button. So we hold these two buttons and then we can click on power off again. Okay, so the problem is we can't power it off because we don't know the unlock code. Okay, so there is a workaround procedure. We will need an USB-C cable connected to a device, to a laptop, to a computer, to a TV, gaming console, or whichever. So one side you plug in here on your phone, and the other end you plug in to your device. It could be any device, whichever you want, but it just needs for a signal here. Alright, and now we are going to click here all three buttons: volume up, volume down, and the power button. So we click all these three buttons and hold until the phone restarts. And when you will see the phone restarting and you will see the Samsung logo coming here, then you will release the volume down button and the power button, but you will keep holding volume up button. Alright? So let's go. We click here, here and here, all three buttons, and we just keep holding the buttons until the phone restarts. Keep holding. You will feel a vibration or something else. Alright, now you release the power button and the volume down button, but keep holding the volume up button. See? Still holding. Holding, keep holding. Alright, still keep holding. Okay, if it doesn't work for the first time, don't worry about it. We will try again. So let's go again. We click all three buttons here. And let's keep holding all three buttons. The phone restarted. Now you release power button and volume down, but keep holding volume up button. I already released it a little bit earlier maybe than I have seen the Samsung logo. So still keep holding the volume up button. Alright, so it doesn't work. Okay, so now we will try another procedure. Alright, let's go and click all buttons, but we will release later just the volume down button. Alright, so let's click all buttons until the phone restarts. Alright, keep holding. Okay, now you release the volume down button, but keep holding the power button and the volume up button. So we keep holding these two. Alright, that's it. So you need to hold volume up and the power button together. And then you can come into the recovery menu, you see? Now you can disconnect the cable. So once again, hold all three buttons. When the phone restarts, release just the volume down button, but keep holding volume up and the power button until you see the screen. And then you go down with the side buttons. You go down to where you will see wipe data, factory reset. And then you confirm with the power button. And then again you go down and click to confirm the erasing procedure. So now this phone will be erased. All your photos, contacts and everything will be erased. I hope you had a backup on your Gmail account. So this is it. Now you choose Reboot System Now and confirm with a power button. So the phone will be like brand new, you can use it, but when you connect it to your Wi-Fi, you will need to know your Gmail account and password. If you don't know it, then this is another issue and you will need to search for FRP unlock. Alright? So let me know in the comments how it did work for you, if you have any questions, if you want to say thank you, and like I said, if you want to donate for a coffee or a beer or something, you can donate this via my link, which is in my video description and also in my bio. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.